You are listening to The Vocal Technologist. Spoken Tech for your ears.
Welcome. Today we're looking at the really far-reaching impact of AI. We want to cut through some of the noise, understand how it's shaking up, well, everything, big tech, how we find information, even maybe our own human advantages. We've gathered insights from some pretty interesting recent articles and research.
Yeah, and our goal is basically to boil that down, get to the core nuggets of knowledge, help you navigate this rapid AI evolution, and, figure out what it actually means for you.
Okay, let's jump right in. AI is fundamentally reshaping the big tech players, the big five. And what's really interesting is how it's changing their business. Microsoft and Amazon, for instance, they seem well-positioned, not just infrastructure, right?
Right. It's more their cloud-native AI services. They're enabling other companies to build AI stuff. That shifts the whole game. It's less about selling a product, more about platform adoption driven by AI.
And Apple.
Well, Apple's doing the Apple thing, leaning on device differentiation, building AI right into the hardware.
Makes sense. But then there's Meta. They seem to be scrambling.
Definitely grappling with a huge, expensive pivot. Moving from ads and social media to, well, an AI-first metaverse idea, it's a massive undertaking.
In this whole race for AI dominance, it feels like there are real existential risks involved. Success seems to hinge on partnerships, execution.
And just the unpredictable nature of AI itself. It's not a straight path. And speaking of challenges, look at Google. This whole Google Zero concept is fascinating.
Explain that a bit.
So Google's using AI more and more to summarize information. You see those AI snippets right at the top of search results.
See them all the time.
Well, that directly eats into what we call SEO traffic, those clicks that publishers usually get. The implication, users might just get answers from Google's AI, leading to 0 clicks on the actual articles.
Wow, so platforms potentially using creator content for summaries, and the creators lose out.
Exactly. It forces publishers to adapt, find totally new ways to make money, stay visible. It's a huge shift.
So thinking about that, how does this change how you, our listener, discover and consume content? Do you find yourself relying more on these quick AI summaries? Or do you still dig deeper, look for the original source? Something to think about. Now, this AI ripple effect, it's not just hitting the giants. It's really reshaping other industries too, especially SaaS, software as a service.
Oh, absolutely.
The key thing here seems to be retention. Keeping customers, that's always the test of product market fit. But now with AI disruption, retention has to be re-earned constantly.
That's a great way to put it. AI isn't just another feature. It changes how you keep customers. Think about AI models that can predict if a payment might fail before it happens.
Proactive, not reactive.
Exactly. Or hyper-personalizing engagement, suggesting the next best action based on what a user is actually doing in the app. It makes dealing with churn much more data-driven.
Okay, so AI is getting incredibly capable, performing tasks, predicting things.
And maybe even developing what looks like good taste in creative fields, which is wild.
Right. But amidst all this, what's still uniquely human?
I think it comes down to agency.
Agency.
Yeah, that fundamental, inherent motivation to act on what matters to you personally. That drive, that choice. AI can execute, follow instructions incredibly well, but we choose the purpose, the direction. That's still our edge.
That's a powerful point. Agency, the drive to act. So as AI gets better at mimicking skills, even taste, what does this distinction mean for you? For your own work, your creativity? How do you navigate a world where AI capability is soaring, but your human agency, your choice to act, remains key? So, wrapping up, we've seen AI causing these huge shifts in tech, business models, how we get information.
Definitely shaking things up.
But it also really throws a spotlight on that critical human element, that agency.
Right. So maybe the final thought to leave you with is this. In a world where AI can do more and more, even show taste, how will you use your unique human agency, your drive? How will you find and, more importantly, act on what truly matters to you? Keep thinking about that, and thanks for joining us.
Spoken Tech for your ears.